And back to the ball game. This is our final game of this day, featuring UAE and Baltimore, the 17 under division. As we get ready on the jump ball, first possession of the UAE, carried and a foul right away for Malupay. Chance for 3-point play for Malupay. That will go. And a rebound goes to Baltimore.
Diretso na yan, ha? Sa free throw lang, ha? Sige na, mamaya na.
Here goes Malupay.
Sa dead ball. Wala, tagal mo.
Stolen away by Esguera. Here's Esguera to the rim, lays it in. First points for Baltimore. Here's Malupay. Dasilio spins, loses the ball. Esguera with the steal, loses it, recovers it. The shot is no good, gets it back. Katane misses again. Salcedo. And Francia with an easy 2 points. Esguera, 2 points is good. Tie ball game tayo dito, all four.
Mechanics.
Foul called.
Mechanics. Backcourt.
Malupay will inbound. Inside pass, great cut. And a great pass coming from Eslabon. Here goes Esguera. Pass to Yambao. Loses the ball. Steal. Malupay, an easy 2 points. Is Esguera. Esguera finding an open teammate. Pass on the wing. Got blocked by Salcedo. And Victoria with the follow on that block. And they got called on a traveling violation. Steal na naman para sa UAE. And Salcedo na naman. Kakana dito. Esguera, pinasa sa corner. Balik kay Esguera, natapikan.
Shot lock 10. 10 seconds to shoot.
10 seconds to shoot. Para sa Baltimore. Lambao. Esguera. Tatawagan na rito ng 24 seconds violation. Francia.
Number 5 ang foul. Sa'yo, Bonggi.
Mig Francia will go to the free throw line to shoot 2. Gago, ginanahan ako bigla. Kanino pa ba nandiyan yan? Nakaupo sa biyat, sa boyfriend. Cuts na pala. Ha?
Pero matsaka ka pa.
Pero mas nga yan?
Ganda ng kutubeno.
Mas nga yan? 2 of 2 para kay Francia. Walo ang kalamangan ng UAE, 12-4.
Saan po man? Saan?
Yambao.
Pay party. Babayaran mo yan.
And Esguera got called for a traveling violation. Malupay. Driving and lazy na pa rin. 10-point game para sa UAE. Wala pang naisasagot dito ang Baltimore so far. It's all UAE in this 5 minutes of this ball game. Malupay na naman na libre sa easy 2 points. 12 na ang kalamangan ng UAE. Idol, po muna. Po muna po. And a 2 points is good for Esguera. Esguera with the steal again. And he is fouled. Esguera, 1 of 2. Papasok dito si CJ Mansalud para kay Esguera. 11 ang kalamangan ng UAE. Salcedo, jump shot, masyadong malakas. Three points para kay Lassiter. That will go. Here comes Malupay. Drives, counted, and 1 para kay Malupay. A chance for a 3-point play para kay Malupay.
Yes, 14. 14. That's it there.
Sablay ang bonus free throw ni Malupay. At turnover naman ng Baltimore.
Tapos, hindi mo pa ako diretso. Pupunta ka o hindi. Babalik ko sa cellphone ba?
3 points on the corner is no good.
74 coupon sa akin.
Nakuha dito ng UAE. At easy 2 points ni Molyo. Counted and 1 para kay Andrew Santos. Chance for 3 para kay Santos.
Sa'yo basket sa akin ng foul.
Bonus shot is good for Santos. 12 pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng UAE. Salcedo. Great pass.
Sinakasis.
Another great pass.
Pero assist yun eh.
And an easy layup by Molyo. Lassiter. Masyadong malakas para kay Victolero. Salcedo susubok sa 3. Sablay. Offensive rebound. Lassiter, the follow is not good.
Rebound, number 2.
Malupay. Coast to coast. Counted and 1 para kay Malupay na naman.
Basket count. Sa akin yung basket.
Naglaro doon kanina. Danilo. Wala na yun.
Last game.
Oo, ito. Montreal.
Montreal, New York. Asan yung Montreal, New York niya? Nandito na? Nasusulatan niyo ba to? Game number? Kanina nasulatan niyo. Ha?
Anong under yun?
17 dots. Ah,
Diyan, diyan.
game number 3 to eh. 3 at 4.
Diyan, coach.
7. 1.
Ano yan? Game number 11 yan. Nalagay nyo ba yun? Game number 11?
Oo, nalagyan ko yung dahil.
Nalagay na? Para hindi na mahirapan si Coach.
Number yan, number.
Yun, may sama-sama.
Malupay.
Diba?
Tingnan mo yan, coach.
Dasilio for 3. Bounces in. Para kay Ariel Dasilio. 19 ang kalamanan ng UAE. Traveling violation ang tinawag ng ating official.
Sila na rin to. Diyan.
And the layup is
UAE
good
yung pula. Ano ba? UAE yung pula.
para kay Victoria. Natapal de Lassiter. Same ball possession. Natapal yan ni Lassiter. Recovers by UAE. 10 to shoot. Dasilio. Sasalaksak. Natapikan. Stolen away by Lassiter and a foul called on Dasilio.
43 sa akin. Second foul.
First up pa lang. Kala ko second up na. Tira sa 3 dito. Sablay.
74 rebound.
Para kay Andrew Santos. Sagon knocks down a 3-pointer. Extend their lead to 20. Tyler naman. Mansalud at 3. It's good.
Sila na kasi, coach.
Manlupay drives and lays it in. And we had a timeout by Baltimore. With 6.5 to go in this first half.
Go! Uwi ka na ba? Uwi ka na ba? Nagpapapicture ka na?
Bakit? Ayaw mo? Gaya ka na, James, ah. Eto si Tyler. Inasa sa corner. Sasalaksak dito. Inasa kay Andrew. Andrew. Lassiter. Floater is good para kay Lassiter. Sagun. May hawak ng bola. Sagun. Nasa laksa. Inasa sa wing. At 3 is no good. Para kay La Chica. And the 2-pointer is good. Para kay Malupay na naman. Nakakarami na yon ngayong first half. Para kay Malupay. Three is no good again. Para sa Baltimore. And there's a call.
14.
A foul called
First foul.
kay
14 foul.
kay Sagon ng UAE. 14 seconds to shoot para sa Baltimore. 5 minutes ang natitira dito sa ating first half.
Ano sabi mo, Rep?
UAE lamang ng 20 points. At ito si Sagon. Kaya ng bola. Malupay. Nasa sa corner. Fade away is good na naman. Molyo with a fade away jumper. 21 ang kalamangan ng UAE. And traveling ang tinawag ng ating officials. Substitution para sa UAE. Katoliko and Moreno subbing back in for UAE. Ginagamit ko pa yan, coach. Ginagamit ko pa yan. Pang line up. Hindi, yan yung dalawa. Malupay na naman. Mid-range jumper. Santos gets his own rebound and he got fouled. Three and a half to go. First shot is good.
Pasok mo na sa ilalim, siksik mo sa likod niya. Or siksik mo dito kaya tinupian na yan.
5 to, coach. 4 to eh, 4. Saka 3.
Saan yung
4 lang saka 3 yung nasa. Basket count para kay Tyler Santos.
Sa akin?
Tyler completes a 3-point play. Official score natin 40-20. UAE lamang pa rin ng 20 points. 2 and a half to go in this first half. Victoria has to Lassiter. Monsalud. And we got a timeout by UAE with under 2 minutes to go in this first half. After the ball game, UAE still leading by 20. 1 minute 45 seconds in this first half. A 3 is no good.
Rebound. 0-0.
Rebound by Mansalud. Mansalud has it on the corner. Santos kicks it outside. A 3 by Lassiter. That won't go. Manlupay with the ball. Moreno, corner 3. And that is a foul call.
14, Lassiter. 14.
And 3 free throws will be rewarded to Gabriel Molyo. She will shoot 3 free throws. Isa lang. Ano ba score? 42? 42 yun.
Hindi, 43. Nakadalawa ng shoot eh.
Advance lang, 43. 3 for 3 para kay Gabriel Molyo.
Score mo, 44.
23-point lead
10!
para sa UAE. 10 seconds to go. 5 seconds. Mansalud inside pass to Lassiter. Right at the buzzer. And that ends the first half. 43-22 UAE with a 21-point lead.
Is lang yung pagkakasabi. Baltimore!
Naririnig ako sa kabila kumakantaw. Nag-echo.
Good shoutout kay Mama!
Back to the ball game. Start of our second half. UAE with a dominating lead, 43-22. And an offensive foul to start our second half. That will be against Lassiter. Three-pointer, that won't go for Masangkay. On the wing. Inside pass. Balik kay Santos. A triple is good para kay Tyler Santos. Manlupay got fouled. He will shoot free throws. That will be on CJ Mansalud.
Nagsalud.
Balik ba ballpen ko? Wala na akong ballpen, gago.
Nandito isang ballpen. Oo, ball.
Sa MTBL may nangiram ng ballpen ko, 3 beses.
Basket isa ako is.
Ni isang ballpen, walang bumalik sa akin. 1 of 2 para kay Manlupay.
Tama, 45.
And that backcourt violation ang tinawag.
3 ang kanina di ba? Oo. Dapat 44 lang. 44 ba? Akala ko 45. Kasi galing 44. Sige, sige.
40 seconds to shoot para sa UAE.
Tama yan, tama yan, tama yan.
Moreno out the corner.
10!
Cross-court pass, stolen away by Tyler Santos. Basket and one naman para kay Andrew Santos.
Count.
17-point lead, make that a 16-point lead para sa UAE. Eto na naman si Manlupay with the ball. Getting double team. Cross-court pass na naman. And that goes out of bounds. Another turnover para sa UAE. Counted and a foul na naman para kay Andrew Santos.
Saan ang foul ha?
Chance na naman to trim down the lead to 13 para sa Baltimore. And that won't go. Ball got stolen away by Lassiter. Santos, corner, three-pointer. That won't go.
Sa akin.
And there's a foul na naman ang tinawag against sa UAE. Baseline inbound para sa Baltimore. Patorse ang kalamangan ng UAE. Susubok na naman sa tres. Andrew Santos has been on fire tonight. 11. Another turnover para sa UAE. Tyler Lassiter, corner. At 3 again. This time that won't go. 2-on-1 action. Manlupay banks it in. 13-point balik sa 13 ang kalamangan ng UAE. Sumasablay na rito ang Baltimore. Manlupay nagdadala ng bola. Ball got stolen away by Tyler Santos. That goes out of bounds. "20 seconds on the shot clock. Tyler Santos. Lassiter susubok sa tres. Pasok yan. Kanina lamang 20 ang kalamangan ng UAE. Ngayon sa 10 na lang. Traveling violation ang tinawag.
Ay, tanggalin mo yung isang charger daw dyan.
Siya, tambal nyo.
Ayaw ata titiro sila.
Kami. Gusto mo, ikaw tumulong.
8 na lang ang inahabol ng Baltimore. Lassiter. Out ng bola. Tyler susubok sa tres. Rebound ng UAE. Manlupay with the ball. Manlupay. A hand check foul called against Tyler Santos. Substitution para sa UAE. Mig Francia sabing back in para sa UAE. steal and a basket para kay Victoria. 6 na lang ang kalamangan ng UAE. Another turnover para sa UAE. Chance na naman to trim down the lead. And Tyler turns it over.
Ay, dito pa rin pasa na.
Bank shot won't go. That goes out of bounds. Ball possession sa UAE pa rin. 14 to shoot. Manlupay. Sablay na naman. Mansalud. 3-on-1 action. Victoria with the layup. 4 na lang ang hinahabol ng Baltimore. Francia. Kaharap ng mapapasahan. Francia sumalaksak. Floaters up. That won't go. Lassiter with the rebound. Lassiter behind the back. Nasa kay Tyler. Tyler. Victoria na naman. Nasa sa wing. Lassiter at 3. Offensive rebound. Tyler puts it in. Another 3. Sa Baltimore. Stolen away by Victoria, and there goes the lead for Baltimore.
Umamang na.
They have come back down to a 20-point lead by UAE. And now they have the lead, 47-46. Jump shot won't go again para kay Francia.
14.
Manlupay, bank shot is good para kay Manlupay. Unang puntos para kay Manlupay sa second half. Correction pala, siya pa lang ang nakakagawa para sa second half. 5 points.
43. 4 na yun. 4.
Foul na naman kay Dasilio. That will be his fourth. And on the line dito si Andros Santos will shoot 2 free throws.
Di na, 43. 43. Yun na. 43. Oo.
Lahat may sasabyat ha.
4 na po yung 43.
Lahat.
1 of 2 dito para kay Santos. And we have a tie ball game. Dribbling violation. Turnover na naman para sa UAE.
Pwede di ba yung ilagay yung mic?
Layup, that won't go. A steal para sa Baltimore. Loose ball, makukuha ni Manlupay.
Good, 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 good.
That goes out of bounds, natapikan. Last touch ng Baltimore.
90 seconds. Ha? Bata. Dito pala, dito lang. Okay lang yan, okay lang yan. Pare kanin, 10 lang.
2 points, no good. Lassiter with the rebound. Lassiter sasalaksak. 4 ang defender. At natapikan.
Hindi ko nakita. 3 points. 3 points. 3 points.
Long two-pointer para kay Santos. Baltimore, lamang ng dalawa.
Shot clock, 13. Ten.
5 seconds to shoot para sa UAE. Manlupay, sasalaksak, nakakuha ng foul. Manlupay will shoot 2 free throws. Aircon din sa inyo, Danta.
Ha?
Aircon din sa inyo.
Medyo mahina nga.
One of two para kay Manlupay.
Buti dala mo yung ano mo. Dito mo.
Oh. Mansalud. Dadala ng bola. Pinasa kay Lassiter. Santos. Got called for travel.
Score para tama. 49 sa akin.
6.5 to go para dito sa ating second half. Manlupay, sasalaksak, drop pass.
Pupul sa akin.
Usagon for an easy 2 points. UAE
Talyo.
back up by 1. Mansalud. Santos. Santos drives and no basket. Traveling violation ang tinawag. Manlupay, pasa kay Desilio. Sagun, balik kay Desilio. Desilio fakes, counted, and a foul para kay Alliance Desilio.
Basket count.
Three-point play para kay Desilio. Balik sa 4 ang kalamangan dito ng UAE. Sablay na naman ang layup ng Baltimore. Francia. Balik kay Manlupay. Manlupay susubok sa 2. And he got bumped mid-air. So Manlupay will shoot 2 free throws. Only 2 free throws on the free throw line.
Ang lupay.
Two of 2 para kay Manlupay. Balik sa 6 ang kalamangan ng UAE. Lumalayo na ng konti. Under 4 minutes to go. Mansalud. Nasa kay Santos. Andrew Santos. Kicks it out.
Timeout, basket made.
Mansalud. What a shot. Reverses it in.
Hey, your opponent basket. Timeout. Yeah.
Silio. That won't go. Rebound by Mansalud.
You get advantage if you have timeout.
A 3 by Santos. That won't go. Rebound by Molyo. Manlupay. The three is good. Manlupay knocks down a three. Time out Baltimore. Under 3 minutes to play. After ball game, UAE with a 7-point lead. And there's a foul called.
19.
That will be against
Line up. Open.
Francia. Ball is loose, stolen away by the UAE. Layup by Francia is no good. Rebound by Mansalud. And a dribbling violation is called. Sagun, pasa sa corner. Porter is no good para kay Francia.
Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes para sa ating regulation. Another steal, Manlupay. Lays it up in. Salud. Monsalud, sasalaksak. Monsalud is good on that layup. Balik sa 7 ang hinahabol ng Baltimore. And that goes out of bounds. Last touch ng Baltimore.
Meron pa ba tayo score? Score sheet.
Pero kay Benjo, kuya. Kasama si Benjo.
Shot, shot, shot.
Alupay. Tipore, that won't go. Traveling violation ang naitawag. Malupay. Gamitin ng UAE ang oras dito. Malupay! What a move by Malupay. As he got fouled.
Penalty. Penalty ba?
Under a minute to go. It's Malupay. Will shoot 2 free throws. That one is good for Malupay. Nine-point lead for UAE. Mansalud way off on that triple. And the ball will go to UAE. 46 seconds to go. Jump shot. That won't go. Rebound ng Baltimore. Tyler. Corner 3. Bounces in.
Number 3.
3-pointer from the corner.
Sa likod niyan. Wala na daw sila. Kahit
out dito ang UAE. Last 20 seconds to go in the second half. Lamang dito ng 6 ang UAE. Last 20 seconds remaining. 3 seconds differential between the game and the shot clock. Natapigan at na-steal ni Rossiter. Kasi Matsalud. Corner 3 is good! Tyler Santos for 3. He cuts the lead to 3. A held ball on the center court. Ten seconds to go.
Anybody?
Kahit sino yan, kahit sino. Jump ball between both teams. 10 seconds to go. Tyler. Blocked away. 5 seconds. And there is a foul. And that is it. UAE survives this 63-60.